Hey Dutch crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're doing another Fakeaway video. When you've been out and had a few drinks, what's the thing that you crave? Yeah, a good old kebab. So today we're going to be making a chicken shawarma kebab and we'll be cooking this in the Ninja wood-fired oven. Got a few surprises, we've got a new gadget to try out, so come on, let's get on with it. Today we're going to be using this from Angus and Oink. It's shawarma kebab mix. We're going to be using 45 grams. That's 1.5 ounce. This is at a 5% ratio to chicken. So in the bowl I've got 8 chicken thighs, bone and skinless. We're just going to add our shawarma mix. Get a glove on. And get in there and give it a good mix. Taking time to make sure every piece of chicken thigh is covered in this lovely shawarma mix. Now put this in the fridge for at least an hour. So today we're going to be using charcoal pellets from the Pellet man. We'll do a full hopper. Get these into the Ninja wood-fired oven. Turn on to max roast, 370 degrees C, that's 700 degrees F. Put 30 minutes on the timer. Press the wood smoke technology button to get the smoke. And start. This is another new gadget from the Pellet man. It's called the Kebab Spike. Do it in 2 sizes. This is the large that fits the XL and the Ninja wood-fired oven, and also we do a standard laser cut stainless steel, so it's safe to go in the dishwasher. So we're just laying these chicken thighs up now, 90 degrees to each other, and like I said, this spike will take about 8 chicken thighs. I'll put links in the description below for all the products from the Pellet man. Now just look at the spices in this rub from Angus and Oink. Also, with the Kebab Spike, you get a handy little lifting tool. Just place it in. And when the Ninja wood-fired oven's ready, we're going to use the Pellet man's rack tool. Place the kebab in, push it back in, shut the door up, and now we're ready to cook. Now back in my youth there was only one kebab shop in the town that I come from, and this is the salad they used to serve. Onion, cabbage and tomato. So I'm going to replicate that today in this video. So we're just going to thinly slice the onion, some thin slices. Now our cabbage, I'm just going to use a 1/4 head of cabbage, just thinly slice that as well. We want some nice long bits. I'm not a big fan of salad, but cabbage, onion and tomato, I'll eat that. Now tomato, we're just going to thinly slice this as well. Once we've thinly sliced it, we're just going to cut the slices into half. Just half all these. So that's our salad ready. We're going to serve our kebab on a Lebanese flatbread. We've just warm this slightly. I'm just going to arrange the salad down one side. Layer of the cabbage. Layer of onion. And then we'll top that off with our sliced tomato. As you can hear in the background, we're doing this live while the kebab's cooking. We're also going to put some pickled jalapenos on. So our kebab's ready. It's at 76 degrees C, that's 168 degrees internal temperature. Look at these nice crusty bits that you associate with a kebab from the kebab shop. Just slice through these, and we're just going to get these little layers of juicy meat and crispy bits. So just look at that. So there we have it, folks. That's Dutchy's Fakeaway chicken kebab. As good as you get anywhere. Just look at these gnarly bits of chicken. A bit of a crunch on the outside. That's as good as you buy anywhere. I'm off now to get a beer and finish the rest of this.